Hello everyone, welcome to Nandan Tutorials. Today I am going to explain about the basic law of electrical and electronics engineering, and that is Ohm's law, and I will provide notes along with two numerical problems. Let us start. First of all, we have to take some conditions like temperature must be constant and physical conditions of the conductor must be unchanged. Coming to the definition, Ohm's law states that within a given conductor, the current flowing is directly proportional to the voltage. Voltage means the potential difference between the ends of the conductor, means V is directly proportional to I, and the relationship between the current and voltage is derived by Georg Siemens Ohm in 1828. He is the German physicist. And here V is equal to I into R. I means current and R is the resistance. All of us know every conductor has some resistance. So here V equal to voltage, units are volts, and R is resistance, the units is ohms, and I is current, units are amperes. Coming to the Ohm's law triangle, we have to keep voltage at the upper part of the triangle and the lower part is current and R. If we want voltage, we have to close V and the formula is I into R. And if we want I means current, we have to close I and V by R is the formula for current. To find resistance, we have to close R and V by I is the formula to find the resistance. These are the basic laws to find the voltage, current and resistance of a conductor. If we have any two values, we can find another value by using the Ohm's law. And coming to the applications, as of we discussed earlier, we can determine the voltage, resistance and current within an electrical circuit, and it is also used to maintain the desired voltage drop across any electrical components or electronic components, and to divert current in DC devices like DC ammeter and DC shunt motors, Ohm's law is used. And coming to the numerical problems, here we have some data, V equal to 10 volts and I equal to 5 amperes, and we have to find resistance R. According to the Ohm's law, V equal to IR and R equal to V by I. By substituting numericals, 10 by 5, R equal to 2 ohms. Here is under simple circuit and we have the data R equal to 0.5 ohms and voltage V equal to 2 volts, and we have to find current I. From the Ohm's law, V equal to IR and we can define that I equal to V by R. By substituting numericals, we have I equal to 4 amperes, and we have to plot very simple circuit like this so that we can understand very easily. And in exam point of view, circuit is very important. And coming to the limitations, Ohm's law is failed to explain the behavior of semiconductor devices and unilateral devices like diodes and transistors. And coming to the second limitation, this is the condition of the Ohm's law, means as we have discussed at definition, the physical conditions and temperature must be constant. If it is not kept constant, Ohm's law may not give the expected results. Coming to the third point, Ohm's law is not applicable to nonlinear quantities. Nonlinear quantities means the relationship between the current and voltage is nonlinear function, means the graph may be curve. And examples of nonlinear elements is diode and electrical arcs, thyristor, etc. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share to your friends also.